Welcome to The Quest for Clean Data, a gripping tale where one data analyst battles chaos and uncovers hidden truths. Hold tight as we embark on a journey filled with discovery, tension, and triumph. On a frosty Thursday morning, the office was charged with an air of urgency. Nora, the team leader, stormed in, her face a mask of concern and frustration.
We've got a critical mission, analyzing customer purchase behavior for our marketing campaign. But beware, the dataset is a disaster. If we don't fix it, we're in trouble.
Unfazed by the monumental task, our data analyst took a deep breath and approached the chaos with unwavering determination. He dove into the data, tackling duplicates with precision and filling in gaps with careful estimates. As he standardized the formatting, the data slowly started to reveal its potential. But the true challenge lay ahead. As he dug deeper, a sinister pattern emerged. Certain data points were starkly out of place. His curiosity piqued, he unleashed an anomaly detection algorithm, setting off a race against time to uncover the truth. The results were shocking. System errors had contaminated critical data entries. But this discovery was just the beginning of an even darker mystery. Things took a turn for the worse when he discovered that crucial timestamps were missing. The data seemed like a puzzle with crucial pieces absent. Desperation set in as he contacted the IT department, hoping for a lifeline. With the logs finally recovered, he reassembled the missing pieces. But the road ahead was still fraught with obstacles. He ran a series of rigorous consistency checks, determined to ensure that no detail was overlooked. Just when he thought he was nearing the end of his ordeal, he stumbled upon a disturbing pattern. Several customers had made unusually large purchases. His instincts told him something was amiss. He flagged these transactions, bracing for the worst. The deeper investigation revealed a scandalous truth: the sales team had manipulated the data to meet targets. With resolute determination, he meticulously removed the fraudulent entries, restoring integrity to the dataset. Finally, with the dataset scrubbed clean, he crafted powerful visualizations that brought the data story to life. The team gathered, their anticipation palpable, as the final presentation approached. The presentation was nothing short of a revelation. The clean data unveiled clear, actionable trends in customer behavior, enabling the marketing team to launch a razor-sharp, targeted campaign.
Your dedication and skill have been nothing short of heroic. Thanks to you, we're not just moving forward, we're leaping ahead with newfound confidence and precision.
And so, the process of data cleaning came full circle. From identifying and removing duplicates, filling in missing values, and correcting inconsistencies, to detecting anomalies and addressing fraudulent entries, every step was crucial. This meticulous process not only cleaned the data but also transformed it into a powerful tool for strategic decision-making. Our data analyst's journey was a testament to the power of persistence and precision. By turning chaos into clarity, he demonstrated the true value of data cleaning in achieving insightful and actionable results. From that day forward, he was hailed as the master of data cleaning, a hero who turned turmoil into triumph. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of data. Stay tuned for more riveting stories of data-driven victories and the heroes who make them possible. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep transforming data into insight. Goodbye for now.